I'm Craig with Datavideo. Today I want to show you a brand new bundle that we have from Datavideo called the HDR-1 Kit. And in this kit we have three products. We have the HDR-1, which is a recorder, H.264 recorder. We have the TLM-700K, it's a 7-inch monitor that has HDMI input, HDMI output. And this brand new Button-GPI, that's what we're calling it. And it's really a one-button solution to start and stop your recording from the HDR-1. So let me show you how it works. First of all, you have to have a source for the HDR-1. Most of the time it might be a switcher, something like this, or a camera. Any HDMI output is what we're talking about, and that would plug directly into the HDR-1. The HDR-1 then loops out to the TLM-700K. This also has loop out. If I want to send this to a bigger monitor or a projector, I can do that with from the TLM-700K. So also included in the kit is the Button-GPI, like I showed you before. This plugs right into the back of the unit, and then all I have to do is push the button. I actually have one connected right now, so I'll just show you. This comes with a 12-foot long cable as well, so I can be pretty far away from the recorder at that point. So all I have to do is just push the button, and you can see that close up here, you can see the light blinking slowly. That means it's recording. I push the button again, and now you see that the light's blinking quickly. That means it's saving the file to the USB stick. Once that's completed and you see it stop blinking, I can now pull the USB stick out of the unit, put it into my laptop, and I'm ready to go. I can save that file onto my laptop. I can upload it to YouTube, Facebook. It's an H.264 file. It's in the right format for those platforms. It's perfect. Very easy to use, good quality HDR-1 with the TLM-700K, $699. Now, if you buy those two together, we include the Button-GPI for free. So if you buy it as the kit, HDR-1 kit, you get this special price unit for free. Normally a $69 value. So it's a great little tool to have for just starting and stopping your video with the HDR-1. And there you have it, the HDR-1 kit. It's available now. Please visit our website to read more about our kit and all our other products. Don't forget to like us on our social media. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have lots of new videos for you. All our new products are coming out this year. We're excited to show you. So stay tuned. And thanks for watching.